soil erosion is a function of erosivity and erodibility. And for the soil erosion, what should be there? Erodibility should be greater than erosivity. Yes, I said factors increasing soil erosion यदि ज़्यादा होगा तो क्या होगा? There will be soil erosion. The topsoil will remove, and then factors reducing soil erosion should be less. Then there will be soil erosion. But in case of soil conservation, क्या होना चाहिए? Factors reducing soil erosion should be more, and then factors causing soil erosion should be less. Understood? The soil erosion is a function of what? Erosivity and erodibility, and erodibility should be greater than erosivity. Understood? Erodibility should be greater than. And then there are the types of soil erosion, if we'll see. I said that first I said splash erosion. Second one I said that sheet erosion. Then I said reel erosion. Then I said that gully erosion, and then I said stream bank erosion. Types of soil erosion I said which are splash, sheet, reel, gully, and then stream. Understood? Which are we have seen? Splash, when the rainfall drop, which one I said that? Rainfall drop is falling on exposed soil. किस soil पे? Exposed soil. When the rainfall drop is falling on the exposed soil, then the upper layer what get eroded? Then upper layer get eroded. Understood? It is known as what? Soil erosion by the splash erosion phenomena. Understood? तो there should be, इसलिए क्या होना चाहिए? क्या condition होना चाहिए? There should be a forest and grass. Yes or not? Grazing land should be there. Then it will reduce the soil erosion. Sheet erosion. I said that sheet erosion कब होगा? When I said that flood water and the fast moving wind is moving over the exposed soil. Flood water means pani आया and then it started removing the top soil. Removing what? Top soil, and it is known as what? A layer of soil will get eroded. So I said that in which flood water, heavy rainfall, and wind, fast moving wind, passing through, कहाँ से पास कर रहे हैं? Passing through exposed soil. Yes or not? Then what will happen? Yes, tell me. Then top soil in a form of one layer it will completely remove. Yes or not? And that is known as what? Sheet erosion. Getting my point? And then another I said that reel, if I am talking about, reel means finger, deep erosion. Which I said that finger deep erosion. I said that which erosion I said? Finger deep erosion. I said suppose this is in a Shivalik range. ये कैसा रेंज है आपको? Sivalik range, and there is after that there is a plain area of Punjab, plain area of Haryana, plain area of UP, plain area of Bihar. Yes or not? This is in a kind of what? In front of Sivalik there is in a what? Indo-Gangetic plain is there. And when the rainfall takes place, what happened? Rainfall in rainy season. What happened? तो इसके वजह से क्या होगा? There will be several channels. इसके वजह से क्या होता है? Channels develop. बहुत सारे माउंटेन रीजन से भी what is it? Channel develops. हर जगह से पानी ऊपर से नीचे की ओर आ रहा है. Several channel developed. Several channel developed कब? In which condition? Rainy season, when the rainfall is taking place. And thereafter this rainwater, it is coming through the channel, it is coming down the what is in a plain area. Or as it will come down the plain area with the high kinetic energy, जब तक वो move करता रहेगा, it will come down the what is in a high speed. And when it will come through the high speed, तो ये कहाँ पे गिरेगा? I said that plain area, several channel developed with the high kinetic energy. क्या है? With high and कहाँ पे come into foothills of Himalayas. Where it comes? Comes into foothills of Himalayas, and then it is coming into plain area. फिर उसके बाद किस एरिया में आता है? Thereafter it started moving into plain area, and then top soil of plain area eroded. Top soil of plain area, what happened? Top soil of plain area eroded. Top soil of plain area eroded. Is it okay? Top soil of plain area eroded till finger deep. कितना? Till